All right, welcome back, Intermediate Algebra. So this differences of squares, is almost as easy as differences of squares intro. Just one minor glitch, well, actually maybe two. You'll notice on this one, you know what the square root of this is, and this one here, you're also just finding the square root of that. So you know the square root of 100 is 10, and so a positive 10 times a positive 10 is 100. You should know the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of x squared is x. So we've got a positive 3x and a negative 3x. So it simply looks like this. 10 minus 3x, 10 plus 3x. Pretty simple, but wait. It can get just a hair more difficult. And here's the next example that demonstrates that. You will notice this one is not a perfect square, and this one also is not a perfect square. However, this 3, we could take and factor a 3 out of each of these. If we do that, we then get 3 times x squared, which is a perfect square, minus 49, which is a perfect square. And then we can just factor this inside part. A square root of x squared is x, so x times x would be a positive x squared, and 7 times negative 7 would be our negative 49. So this one would factor into 3 parenthesis x minus 7, x plus 7. So if these are not perfect square roots, look to factor it this way first. Let's do one more like that. Again, not a perfect square, not a perfect square. So we are going to factor a 3 out of each of these. So when we do that, we then factor out the 3 and we get 36 minus x squared. Square root of 36 is 6, so a positive 6 and a positive 6. Square root of negative x squared would be a positive x and a negative x, so our final answer would end up being 3, 6 minus x, and 6 plus x. Hopefully that makes sense, and we'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.